First thing I want to focus on here is XRP's weekly time frame. In the white color, I've enabled the 50-week simple moving average. This is a very important moving average to pay attention towards because basically if price is above this moving average, it signals bullish momentum, as we have seen here, for example, in the bull run of 2017. If you trade below this moving average, as we have seen here, for example, in 2022, it signals bearish momentum and it usually triggers a long-term downtrend. Now, currently XRP broke below this moving average just a few months ago on the 10th of October. And we just had a retest about a week ago from underneath. And that is usually behavior that we tend to see in each and every cycle. Price breaks below this moving average and then we tend to see a retest from underneath, such as we have seen here, for example, in 2018. Usually after that retest, we tend to see a further breakdown in price, basically more bearish momentum, or you could say bear market for XRP. Now, there was one exception, and that was actually in 2024, where price also broke below this important moving average and hovered around this moving average for a few months before price eventually took off here in November 2024. And we had this huge move, this huge run to the upside for XRP. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be something like that. But otherwise, this could be a very bearish thing for XRP that we're currently seeing. Now, I have to say price is significantly oversold at the moment. And we had the highest liquidations on the 10th of October of last year. So that is usually a bullish thing because that could have been the market bottom for XRP. But for now, we need to wait and see how this develops. But yeah, definitely pay very close attention to this chart right now. We need to break above this moving average as soon as possible. It comes in at roughly $2.45 for XRP. Now, what you also can see here on the 3-day time frame, I noticed a bearish cross that just happened about a week ago here for XRP. So that basically means where this yellow line crosses with the white line, and the yellow line is basically the 200 moving average and the white line is the 100 moving average. Now, we just had that bearish cross. Same thing happened here in 2024. We also had that bearish cross, and that eventually led to further downside for XRP. We were already close to the market low, but yeah, we had to swallow a little bit more downside for a few more weeks to come for XRP before eventually that reversal. Now, it also happened in 2022. We had the bearish cross, so where that yellow line crosses with the white line. And that was interesting because that was actually the local bottom for XRP, very close to the local bottom. And we had a significant rally in the following weeks to the upside for XRP. So yeah, let's see how this will play out. I think we are getting close to a potential low in the market. I mean, we are significantly oversold. There's barely any retail interest in this market. But just understand that a chart is never 100% bullish or 100% bearish. It is always good to take both sides into consideration.
And by the way, guys, if you're looking for a trusted and reliable trading brokerage, I will highly recommend Capital SureTrade, which have made trading very easy and much profitable. My links are down below. You can proceed to registering your trading account and earn as an advanced trader, as the trade are being carried out automatically by the trading bots, which makes profits guaranteed, ensuring over 10 to 20% profit daily, depending on your investment portfolio. Trading systems save traders from the risk of being liquidated while trading, because the trading risk is being handled by the risk management team. So that was a quick update. Back to the video.
What I want to show you here is actually this upward trend line here in the white color, which I noticed on the 3-day time frame. It's not very reliable because there are just 3 touch points as of right now, but it is definitely something to watch for because we could potentially see a bounce from off this exact point where we are currently trading at. No guarantees, but the last time that we touched this exact trend line, price bounced to the upside. And also here in the immediate short term on the 4-hourly time frame, as I notified you in the past few videos, price is potentially shaping this inverse head and shoulders formation, which is a bullish reversal structure. The breakout is not confirmed yet, but we are potentially shaping this pattern. But if we see a bounce fairly quickly for XRP from off this exact point, then this right shoulder could get completed in the next few days or so. So yeah, potential bullish market structure is forming here in the immediate short term, but on the longer time frames, there are slightly mixed signals going on. So yeah, all eyes on the charts right now.